Well, hi everyone, we're at Hobbycraft and well, needed to come back for some more of this stuff. Is it this one? Actually, I don't know. It isn't. This is different. Twist and shout. I don't know why I'm coughing. Oh, out of breath because of those stairs. Look at those stairs. Got lots of Christmas stuff in here today. This is new. Cozy on up. Size of that. This one's to come out a little bit though. Whoa. So yeah, we're in Hobbycraft. I didn't film outside because it's raining. Raining cats and dogs. So yeah, they've got a few other colours than those I've already shown you. This is a bit different. What's this one? Winner takes the shawl, and there's the length. Aha, pink grey mix, imaginatively titled. So this is one I'm looking for. Get another two of those. And I did want another red, which is this one. I'll get one more red. Hold on just a second. Sorry about that. I needed to cough. I don't know what's got into me. Suddenly, coughing like crazy. So, what are these? These are different. Snazzy coloured crochet hooks. They are wood though. Haven't seen those before. I think they've got quite a lot of new stuff in there. Pony. I've never used a pony hook, but they still also have a lot of blank shelves. I gave myself a bit of asthma then for some reason. I don't quite know why. I haven't got the coronavirus, don't worry. But this mask has been driving me a little bit to distraction. Lots of chinchilla. I do like this stuff. Gorgeous. I did think when I make a wrap of edging it and this, it is rather beautiful. I think I've got 4 or 5 of this colour. Very teddy bear like. I'm sorry, I do have a bit of asthma, I don't know why. Just do. So here's the looms, and I have it on good authority that they didn't get them for me, so I could get them if I wanted to. The reason I know this is because Gary didn't remember to tell them, so I think that's a for sure then. But they've not really got a great deal of hayfield spirit. Seems like they've got some issues getting hold of yarn by the looks of things. Is it because we're all draining them off the shelves at a rate of knots? This is a nice colour. The James C Brett marble. That's a nice one. I feel like I've only just been here, you know, and I shouldn't be here quite so quick, but there was a couple of things I wanted to get a few more of. And I do apologise about that. This is really scratchy. Not keen on that. Wouldn't be getting that one. That's not going near my body. No chance. So these are the ones I liked before. This is called Light and Long. Fashion cotton. Very nice. I didn't buy it last time. But that's possibly because it's £6 for a 50-gram ball. A bit out of, well, not out of my price range, but I don't usually buy something that's £6 for 50 grams. That's extortion. So, moving on, more empty shelves. Is there a national yarn shortage? Is there? Could it be? Look at this, look. This was stuffed last time. This stuff, really like this. I've got quite a few of these. I can't believe that. Cannot believe it. Might get an extra one of those actually. I am so sorry. At least I'm covering my mouth, which has a mask on it, so hopefully it's a little bit on the muffled side. And My microphone's trapped within my coat, so it's probably really muffly anyway. Let's get it out. Hello! I had to put it in there because it was pouring down with rain. Now my little dead cat thingy fell off. Put him in the pocket. No wind in here. Well, hopefully not. So here we got those mandala. I really liked this one last time. And I said, wish I got more, didn't I? So maybe I will. Was it called Tranquil when I got? I surely did. I don't think there was any other colour that I liked. What are you? Happy. That's Madonna's favourite, isn't it? Happy. Was it Tranquil? I can't remember. That's awful. But they do have a few down here. It's nice pastel shades. I've got a feeling it has to be this one, surely. I really don't know. Wish I'd checked. I'm going to put this basket down. That will make things a lot easier. I kind of breathed in. Maybe I just choked on my own saliva, perhaps. Don't remember it happening. So this is the Groove is in the Yarn, which I do love. Really nice to work with. Had that before. Still got it though. Still have that. I really want to get this, but I don't know which one it is. I know it wasn't Happy. That's what I do know. I've got a feeling it has to be. Many of you are probably shouting it out. Tracy, it was so and so. Of course, it wouldn't help me now. As I'm crouching here, I'm almost falling over. What else do I have? But actually, it'd be easier to say what do they not have. Unbelievable how little they have on the shelves. I mean, every single area is depleted. I put those mandalas there, but look at this. Empty, empty, empty. Everywhere. Just empty. It's incredible. Really, I'm astounded. Astounded and astonished. Wow, that's nice. The Serdar Snuggly Bunny. That is fluffy. It's a shame really, but the robin has gone. There's Peter Pan, that's about all there is left. I can't imagine anybody buying this bath. That's probably why they have it left. This one's interesting. The one I first spotted when I decided to choke on my own self. Twist and Shout. Fashion. That looks like it's probably an Aran weight. It's 98% acrylic and 2% metallic. Grey mix. It's really soft though. It's more like a premium acrylic. It's really, really soft. They're probably watching me down there. Probably thinking, what the heck is she doing? Again, empty. Lots of space. Unreal. Can't believe it. Can't believe they have such little on the shelves. Can't believe that there's been a run on it. Are we going backwards? Do they know something we don't? That it's going to be non-essential items again. That's a beautiful colour. I have some nice baby yarn. £1.20. Not bad. I do have quite a few of this everyday DK. Oh, look at that colour. That is amazing. They're such beautiful pastel shades. Oh, very nice. I might have to get this. I might have to get some of that. I shall come round and see what colour catches my eye on the next round. We've got some Kobo, but not many colours in it. We just had a nice meal out, and now I'm deciding to choke on fresh air. That's a nice one. Hayfield Bonus Breeze. How pretty. So I'm not going to go crazy. I'll only buy a little, because I still have a King Cole yarn haul to show you. Plus I've only just been here and they look quite interesting. I don't know what brand they are. So yes, I shan't go mad, but I'm going to say goodbye, and I will catch you when I'm uploading my little haul as well. So thanks for watching this. Don't forget, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Excuse me, and you'll be informed when there are new videos. I like that colour scheme. I like the Hayfield Spirit, but I don't like the way it unravels on itself. So yes, sorry it's a bit difficult to hear me. I'm dying as we speak, and wow, look at that. God, that's really, oh, soft. That is soft. This, hug it out. It's that lovely, super chunky yarn. So yeah, I'm going to say goodbye, and I will show you what made it into the basket. Although there's lots of empty spaces on the shelving, so won't be much to choose from. Probably a good thing, considering. So bye for now, and I'll see you a little later on.